I had an accident with my GoPro the other day, and I killed it. And so what happened was, I had it on a tripod, and I had an external battery plugged into it, right here. And what happened was, the GoPro camera fell over. You see there, the large port is the port for charging and downloading your images off the GoPro. And anyway, the camera fell over with the cord plugged in and fell right on the cord here. Boom, straight on. And there was enough force that it broke the port off of the circuit board. So I figured, well, what the heck, I'll take it apart and look at it and see what if it's a remotely possible fix for me. And I'm kind of figuring, with the amount of time that it would take me to do this, the fine soldering pencil that I would have to get, and then the chance that it may not even work anyway, I think I'll just go buy another GoPro. Costco has a GoPro 5 kit on sale for $239.99, which is really a pretty good deal. And that's what I might do. But, so yeah, just looking at the internal workings of the GoPro, this is your image sensor here. And this is your GoPro port. This is your lens for the GoPro. And the liquid crystal there, that is your display. And the round thing next to that is your power button on-off. Here's the battery. There's the button for the button you just looked at. I guess it's actually the mode button. And there is the faceplate. Farewell, faithful Hero 4 Silver. It was a good GoPro. These are all the screws that were in it. There's the battery, one of two. And then again, here is the body. This is the battery compartment. Those are all the ports and SD card. And there is the back display. So I think I've shown everything here. So, god darn, the GoPro is a pretty darn handy camera to have for the wide angle. I use it all the time for architectural photography. Because of such a wide angle, I can get a good image of the interior of houses, a good wide angle view, and that's desirable. Okay, so anyway, I am going to run up to Costco and get myself one of those GoPro 5 packages. Okay, I have gone to Costco and purchased a GoPro replacement. So let me see if I can one-handed open this thing. Alright, let's see what we get here. So it is $240 at Costco right now. There's like a $60 or so instant rebate. Let me get this cord out of here. Stupid cord. Okay. So you got a GoPro Hero 5 Black inside of a casey, which is the little GoPro case that comes with it, and they've got a little security holder on it that I gotta break that. Okay. Zip that back. Unzip this. Incidentally, I also bought some deck lights for around the house here. Okay, so this is it. It comes with 16 gigabyte SanDisk Extreme. That's the good mini SD card. It comes with a frame holder. Get out of there. Okay. So that's good. It has the side opening for your cable connections, and then the buttons and so forth. There's the lock for it here. Pop that open. Just flip your GoPro inside of that. Close it. Latch it. And your GoPro is protected. Then it has a little tabletop grip and tripod. Please excuse me, I am doing this one-handed. Okay, so there you go. It's got a little tripod there, and I think you can pull this up. Yep, you can pull that up to get a little more height on it. So that will be handy. Then we get a couple of attachment pieces here. There's a cable for it. What is that, an HDMI cable? Or a charge cable? Oh no, I have to take a look. Because if that's a different cable, then my old GoPro cables won't work to charge this GoPro. I just don't get why manufacturers constantly have to change everything. Okay, this is definitely heavier than the old GoPro. It's not charged yet. It still has the protective covers on everything. No battery inside. Let's close that up. I guess this is where the cables are, yes. So we've got, there's an HDMI cable and a USB cable. So it's a different USB cable than my old GoPro Hero Silver 4 had. It looks like it might be like USB-C or something, mini USB, I don't know. But so that's handy. Then here is the new battery. And okay, and again, this battery is different than the old GoPro batteries, so more incompatibility. I can't stand it. I like it when things are forward and backward compatible. It's just so much nicer on your pocketbook when you don't have to keep buying all new junk for everything. Okay, so there's that, and then what do we got in here? There's the destruction manual and the quick start guide and all that good stuff. What's in here? Let me put that someplace where it's not going to slide around on me. And inside here is strap and stuffing or something. So yeah, cool. So I've got a new GoPro Hero 5 Black and a casey to keep everything safe and in order. So I'm going to pull this baby out, put the charge cable on it, and take some pictures later on this afternoon. Okay, so there you go. The out of the ashes comes a new and improved GoPro, and we'll see how it works later. All right, hope you enjoyed it.